Hello, girls and boys. This is Miss Krista coming to you to read again. I hope you guys are enjoying the stories. Today's story will be about Big Dog and Little Dog by Dav Pilkey. Now, looking at the front cover, what do you think it's going to be about? Let's read to find out. Big Dog and Little Dog are hungry. Big Dog and Little Dog want food. Look at the little dog and look at the big dog. Those are opposite words. Little, big. Here is some food for Big Dog. Big Dog is happy. Why do you think Big Dog is so happy? Because he have food. I get happy when I have food too. Do you get happy? Because it makes you feel so good on the inside. Here is some food for Little Dog. Little Dog is happy too. Big Dog and Little Dog are full. Big Dog and Little Dog are sleepy. I get sleepy when I eat. I get kind of sleepy when I eat. Big Dog gets in the bed. Little Dog gets in the little bed. Big Dog is lonely. Little Dog is lonely too. Shh. Big Dog and Little Dog are sleeping. Isn't that a great picture? That is so sweet. Now, that's the end of the story. Did you guys enjoy that story? All right, you guys, think about the characters in this story, and I want you to draw a picture of your favorite part of the story. All right, you guys, see you guys later.